Okay, I'm going to show you now how to complete your first assignment in Pearson. Okay, so again, I logged in to Pearson through Clever. Okay, I'm going to click on classes. Okay, and assignments in science. Here is your first assignment. It is a video on the cell theory. When I click it, it is in opens up here, but it says not started. So I'm going to click on here to start it. I'm going to start to play the video. And I'm going to pause it and just exit out just so I can show you the difference. When I go back to classes and assignments, I don't have anything that shows up on not started, but you see I have something in progress and nothing completed. I click on in progress, it shows I started this video, but I didn't finish it. So I'm going to need to go back in and finish it so we can move to complete it. So it says in progress because I started it. I'm going to go back and watch this video. Okay, now I've finished watching the video. I'm going to click on this check mark. It has a check mark right here showing I finished it. Here is what I have to click, turn in, okay? Now I'm going to show you what happens if I don't. I finished watching this. I'm going to go back out here. I'm going to click on my classes, go back into assignments for science. It still shows up in progress. Why? Because I didn't turn it in. So I'm going to go back here, okay? And now it says I didn't even watch the video. So it's going to show up as incomplete. So okay, so I just finished watching it again because I forgot to click turn it in. So I'm going to go up here this time. Now the check mark has shown up. I want to click turn in. And it says, are you sure you want to turn in your work? So I'm going to go back and double check. Yes, I have a check mark. Turn in. Yes, please. I want to turn in my work. Your work has been turned in. When now I leave this and I look at classes, I have nothing in not started, nothing in progress, and finally my cell theory video is in completed and my score is 100.